morning and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices settled down more than 2% ahead of a weekend meeting of OPEC Plus producers that is expected to consider another increase in production targets in October. The prospect of OPEC Plus raising oil production has increased ahead of the meeting. Wall Street stocks recovered some ground after technology conglomerate Alphabet rose on a favourable antitrust ruling, but gains were muted by softer than expected labour market data that could influence the US central bank's upcoming interest rate decision. KuCoin cryptocurrency exchange is aiming to capture 10% of the blockchain mining capacity behind the world's largest meme coin, the Dogecoin network, through the launch of a new cloud mining platform.
The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.